Hello, ladies. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick little demo on how to use the Satin lip set, the lip balm. The lip balm is used every day and any time. The lip balm is just simply to soften your lips, like sort of like a luxurious chapstick. Really, really, really good. And then the sugar scrub. Okay, so the Shea sugar scrub is simply applied by putting a little bit on the lips. So you take off the top, you take a little bit, put a little bit on your finger, and just scrub it around like this. And it tastes sweet like sugar, but it also is doing a little exfoliation so that it's taking off all the dead skin cells. And it also has it's softening my lips at the same time. Okay, and then I just wipe it off, and then I'm ready. And it's already really soft, so if you don't feel like you need to put on the lip balm after that, but for extra softening, you apply the lip balm. And then it's silky soft. It even gives it a little shine. Beautiful. And that's how you use the Satin lip set.